morning. It is 65 degrees over here in Commerce, Georgia, and today we'll be featuring Mr. Wesley Evans. Wesley will be doing stick shift quarter mile, and he will be competing against some of the guys that he's raced before, because last time he was here, he lost out to Chris Moore with the Turbo Camaro. Due to a nitrous timer shut off because it's used to running 8th. But Wesley said that anybody that wants to try their luck can get it in the 8th. Last time we were with Mr. West, we were in Bradenton, Florida at another streetcar takeover event where everything was kind of stacked against him, fighting clutches, and he ended up beating out Cletus in the end. So today we're going to try to see if we can duplicate that win and pull it out over here at Atlanta Dragway.
They're gonna tell me my hose is too short. Don't put that in the video. He's gonna put that.
You do have a short hose?
Guarantee that's long.
I don't fit inside. I ain't that big around, but it's short.
You don't understand. Everything he does is gonna be on camera. I'll put that.
Good. Oh. Alright, we gotta go.
Stop filming. We gotta go.
Do you think his hose is gonna get the job done?
It's not the size of it. Hey, I didn't know who to talk to.
Your social skills suck.
I know.
So to start off this wondrous adventure, Wesley's got a crack and a weld on the oil pan, and we're gonna put some RTV on that to keep it from leaking. And also, he was dependent on somebody else to bring nitrous, and they didn't bring it. So we went over to Visits, and they had hooked us up with some nitrous, or at least a way to fill some bottles with nitrous. So hopefully we can go rounds with it. Is that a nitrous outlet bottle warmer?
Yes. It's a Wesley's outlet.
Factory direct.
So there's a hairline crack right there in the oil pan, and we'll put some RTV on it. A little hush hush. Maybe they won't notice. What is different this time? Because last time I seen you were in Bradenton.
What's different?
Yeah, what's different about the car now? What's the new setup? Talk to us about the combo.
It is fresh. Has fresh rings, and the heads no longer have holes from intake to exhaust from it. Other than that, it's the same. Oh, it's got 2 nitrous bottles now. 2 10-pound bottles.
Oh. What's the purpose for that now?
690s are bust.
All right, Wes, how'd that feel?
Terrible.
What happened?
I think tire pressure or clutch adjustment issues.
You want to give a sponsor moment?
Yeah, I was gonna let it cool off. Huh? What? Yeah, UPR. Shout out. Did you get underneath here to talk more shit?
Huh?
Talking, I can hear it.
I mean, do you want me to talk shit? I was actually just trying to get a shot, but
Making fun
I'm
of
gonna make fun of your clapped out fox body.
Oh.
Are you getting nitrous from an LS company?
Hey, look. The company's good. They don't mind.
Who's that?
No, this is great for them.
Is a tuner with 2 O's?
Yeah, don't lift the head.
3 O's. Tuner.
Yeah, thank you.
Time to draw. Did you draw? draw?
I think I got the exactly what I wanted.
Green 2.
Exactly the one?
That's exactly what I wanted. Yeah, so the nitrous bottle worked, but the fucking 8th mile was shit. That's me. That's driving. I'm probably busted.
Yeah, but he was not coming around you.
Dude, he was. He missed. He says he
He's
missed
slower
fourth.
than you in the corner.
No, he was.
Yeah, because he missed fourth.
Congratulations.
Yeah, man. Appreciate it.
What's the issue?
The stop nut is
Belts. It's slung a belt, and we don't have the same size belt.
So Wes races the DSM, comes out victorious first round. Right now they're doing a little bit of maintenance. They're changing the alternator belt, the vacuum pump belt, and then they got spark plugs they got to put in. Just routine maintenance items for a nitrous car, because if you run nitrous, you know it's high on demand for maintenance. But they're going for round 2. They're going to draw chips again. Not sure who he's going to get, but let's find out.
It really just a top end on
It'd
this
be
motherfucker that
faster
make it
if
ride.
he didn't have LS.
Yeah, the LS Cole slowed it down.
But you can't. Adapt,
I feel sorry.
You can't adapt to 5.4 coils.
He's confused. It's a smaller core.
No, I know.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm saying LS is the easy way. Like
Bruh.
Who'd you get?
Mine.
What are you gonna do?
I don't know. Normally I would just break the beans, but today, I don't know. I kind of want mine making a full pass and seeing what it'll do. But I don't know. I guess I'll decide on it. I fucked up.
How?
I over rev fucking. Y'all didn't hear me hit the red limiter in third?
A little bit. What about the clutch? You leaving it or what?
Went at 119, 60 foot. My bottle pressure wasn't as high as I thought it was. It was like 8.
I had it at 40 something.
The problem is one bottle was high, the other one wasn't.
So we got David and Wes taking care of the nitrous bottles. One of the bottles was a little bit down, and the other one was full when he made the last pass. So, but big thanks to the guys down at Vengeance Racing for hooking us up and nitrous fills. It really helped us out in this situation. The next race we got to go is against Chris Moore with the twin turbo LS Camaro that busted off like a low 8-second pass spinning. And we just ran an 8:15, with a little bit of weary shifting here and there, but it's going to be a close one if it comes up in our favor.
The thing is, it's so high that it might not burn down.
Yeah, I think we got to put in pressure.
So it's coming down to the wire. We got Wesley Evans, who is going to be racing Chris Moore with a twin turbo LS Camaro. And Chris is fast. He's real fast. So we're just going to hope that he kind of messes up on his part. That's the only way we're going to get ahead of it. Got the bottle pressure up real high. So Wes is going to get full send and see if he can pull off a win just like he did in Bradenton.
Bill moves here. Okay, it backs out. I've seen that car builds boost like gangbusters. Likes his top ball. Both top balls split. Who's going to bump in first? I'm going to bet it's the right lane. Yep, right lane quicker than the bottom ball. They bump in together.
right, what'd you change?
Nobody can beat them, man. People out in the West.
Nothing.
Fingers crossed, just hoping.
The weather.
The weather? Oh, you got that weather mod.
Yeah. Hopefully it.
So I had no
Good for
numbers
me,
on that,
not
no
for them.
incremental.
So close. So close. If he would have ran his previous time, he would have got it. That pass was solid, but it just slowed down for some reason. We'll find out.
I mean, the 60 foot wasn't great. My 330 was decent, and then this is where the clutch slipped. The clutch slip between the 330 is when I went to fourth, which would have been right before the eighth. Look at the mile an hour in the eighth, dude. That's down like 6 miles an hour.
You running 135 in the 8th at Shady Side.
Yeah, I know, but I mean, average is 134, and it was 128. That was definitely a team.
I could hear your car out on the big end. It just like sounded like it was.
That's what it was doing. It was blowing through the clutch.
So what's the deal, man? Like, we going sevens or not?
I'm gonna go on the diet. The car's going on a diet, and we're going sevens.
Well,
But before I go on the diet, is there any pizza left?
Yes, right here.
It's on the
I
ground.
just said it there. I cleared the
dirt
trailer
has
so-
flavor, man.
I cleared the trailer so you could drive up there. Separately.
So what was the difference?
The margin of victory? I showed you .003. He beat me by a shoe. A man's shoe.
Get that, a shoelace.
I'm getting one of them things that stick out in front of my car. I'm tired of these long-nosed catfishes. Is that proper? Catfishes?
You have to ask the LS community.
Man,
Should we take a poll?
what y'all think?
I thought y'all don't have it.
Yeah, that's the same thing I thought. I thought you had them by a mile, but
Oh, dude, I was out on them when I went to fourth. The car slipped mile an hour. I lost 6 miles an hour on that pass. The clutch slipped, and I still didn't think he was going to get me, dude. He did not come up to me until, like, we were just watching the 1320 video. I was out a car and a half at 1,000 foot.
So can any LS still get it?
8 Mile Pro Tree, come get some. He still didn't beat me in 8. He got gapped today.
Yeah. He didn't beat you in the 8th last year either.
No, he's never beat me today.
He's been faster to the 8th, but he's never beat you.
No.
So what you say is you gonna tree the hell out of him?
I mean, dude, that's like asking, is the sun gonna rise tomorrow? Is the sky gonna be blue tomorrow?
That's like asking if he's going to have to replace his head gasket after a race again.
Fuck that. I'm about to ask Ryan how big of pills we can really put in that bitch. What do you think?
You can go bigger?
I'm gonna put them in until it starts fogging out the damn. When I look through the hood and I see nitrous coming out, we'll drop it down the pill
No
side.
pills in a straight line.
When I look over, my bottle's floating from all the nitrous coming out. We might be there.
All right. So when's the next outing?
FL2K.
All right. See if we
I'm
run
going
some.
on a diet between now. How long do I got for that?
I don't know. You're kind of off to a bad start at the moment. So,
I'm trying to enjoy.
why is your car a nitrous car, not a turbo car?
The real answer is because I don't know anything about turbos. But I mean, I don't know. Let's really think about it. This Joker beat me by .003, and he has more cubic inches, more chassis, 2 turbos. On the lines like, poppity, poppity, poppy, all that bullshit. I can't even hear my car. I'm over here like staging, like looking at the thing. He's over there making all that noise. He gets his head's rolling on the ground when it got knocked off. 60 foot, and that car is gone. 8th mile, what it's built for. I got 2 cars on them.
Oh, what was it like? You talking about when I couldn't hear anything?
Yeah, what did it sound like?
I thought my car had 2 steps.
Well, it was like, boom, blah, 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 blah.
I didn't even know what was going on. I was like, what? You talking about the guy beside you?
Yeah. He
on the
raced
distance.
Chris in the, he come to this first thing he said, man, I couldn't hear anything with my car. Yeah, no shit, I gotta race him every time. I'm over there, oh, sorry, bud. I'm over there like, is my car still on? Feeling it if it's vibrating.
I had to look down at the RPMs on the dash. I usually go by just hearing it, you know?
Man, I really, next time, that's what we're doing at FL2K. We'll lose some weight. We're going open headers.
Well, guys, .003 was the time difference between Wesley Evans and Chris Moore with the twin turbo LS Camaro. Wes went down fighting. Had him in the tree, had him at the 330, had him at the 8th, had him at the 1,000. And the clutch just didn't like it when he slapped that 4th gear and ended up slipping, and it cost him 6 miles an hour and ultimately the race. Well, time to move on. FL2K be the next event for that car. Let's see if we can squeak a 7 out of it. Until next time, we'll see you guys later.
I want to run a 7 so I can damn retire in peace.